Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Elric, welcome to another series. I'm running multiple series at the same time to show you how integrated master data management can be, and basically, whatever the marketing buzzword for microservices is, it's what we'll be applying across this system. So this is a series on FEC data. And I'm going to show you how I will be pulling files today from the site itself using SQL. And we'll go over basically what this series will be doing because the code for pulling files is extremely small and very easy to explain. So yeah, I will see you soon. All right, so this is the Federal Election Commission of the United States of America website, fec.gov/data/browse-data. And this is going to bring you to the bulk data or download bulk data area. So we have candidate files, candidate to committee relationships. We have House Senate current campaigns. We have all sorts of stuff. Political action committees, summaries, contributions by individuals. This is going to be a good one. Actual people in the United States because they have to report that back. From committees to candidates and independent expenditures. So we get all sorts of data. So this is what this series is about. We're going to rip all of this stuff into our system and figure out what's going on. I mean, ask it some questions and see what it's doing. So this is about grabbing the files, and each of these files, like if I click on one, it's going to download something. Well, that's good and all, but I don't want to sit here and start unzipping all of these. As you can see, it's already two because I've done this. So what I did is at the very bottom, there are specific files, and you can go download files by day. And it brings you to their, non-friendly looking site. And then we just click on bulk downloads, and we can go back and see that thing that I just downloaded. Now I'm going to start at year 2002 because that seems like where everything starts becoming consistent in terms of the file format and everything. And I don't want to really mess around in the earlier than this year. This is a good year. This would be basically, I couldn't vote in this year, but in the following year I could have. So yeah, these are the files. The candidate file is where we will be starting, and this is how we're going to pull it. We are going to pull it using a procedure. I just got to refresh because this is a fresh procedure that's going to call that website. We're going to send it a year, and we're going to send it the file that we want. And then it's going to download and extract the zip file. So I have already done that, and I can delete this. Boom. For 2002. So what I should be able to do is execute this and say 2004, and it would be cn04.tx or .zip is the file that we're looking for. And I'll just wrap these in strings because they are strings. So I got a success true. Oh, and I got a new candidate file for 2004. Awesome. And then just to do it again, 2006, because they're every 2 years, and that would mean this would be 06. Run it. I got a success true. I got an 06. I got 06 candidate. Sweet. So this is, we're going to start with the candidates, rip them up, and put them in our people table structure that we have in data main, and possibly also group. Well, I guess committees would be in group, but yep, we're going to start with the candidates and start importing data. So thank you very much for watching. This is pretty simple, importing a zip file from an external website. That's all the Python code that you need. And remember, like this video and YouTube will recommend it to other users in our industry, and subscribe to support me. Thank you again, and I will see you next time.